he's stuck. He can't go nowhere. I could probably rob him right now. I can rob Chawn right now. He can't go nowhere. Alright, y'all, sure, we back with another video. Y'all know the run. We ain't gonna interrupt him too much. He over there putting emblems on right now. We're gonna get with him in a minute. I really came through, man, to check out this new paint that he done put on the whip, man. He doing something different. This is the latest project. I'm about to ask him what kind of paint this is, man. But that mug look good. I don't know how it's looking in the video, but man. Then a little dirty right here. We've been getting a little rain and stuff, but this here the one with the flip to it. Right here. So now you got him 2 acts over here. So he got his roof in. So got that in there, so you gonna get all that straight. Dude working with something, man. But I'm feeling this right here though. That junk different. That dude's freehanding it, boy.
A few moments later.
Yeah,
see that what he get doing freehand. He stuck now.
Up.
Yeah.
They're trying to line up, look, you know, look close enough where it used to be, but I ain't tripping.
Man, he's stuck. He can't go nowhere. I could probably rob him right now. I can rob Chawn right now. He can't go nowhere. Alright. Yes, indeed.
One eternity later.
That's perfect.
Yeah.
Around the windows and the door handle strip.
Listen, I'm just a chrome
Pop
person,
the
man.
on.
I'm old school.
Yeah, I already do a lot of chrome, man.
Yeah.
I'd rather have like as less chrome as possible, minimum.
Man, I'm old school,
Grill,
man.
like probably the grill,
yeah.
door handle.
I want chrome everywhere. I want all this here new. I just think it just go good with the paint. You know what I'm saying?
I ain't a real chrome fanatic though.
I feel that though.
Yeah. I like all that shit out. But I'm gonna leave it chrome on though.
Yeah. Real talk though, man. It gives it that polished look though, man. Like looking at that mug bling right there. Yeah. I mess with the chrome trim, bro. Like later on when I get in my stuff, when I say all the old chrome, I'm gonna try to redo all that junk. Yeah.
Don't get me wrong, they look good on the old car, you know, old school.
Yeah.
That's the characteristic of the old car. They had so much chrome on from the factory.
That's what's up. Man, so let's get into it, man. Give me a walk around the new one, man. What we got going on?
Yeah, you know, we just got this thing finished up. That Coco right there.
Coco?
She got a message for all my haters out there.
Alright.
You know, but it's really, bro, it's just it's the factory red color. We added some red flakes on top of it. So
factory red?
factory red out the paint code.
Shit. Okay.
And we just added a little twist to it with the red flakes. You know, we got different sizes. We just added them on top of that red base. So that what gave it.
This thing got a pop, man. Like it's like I don't think the camera showing how it's really popping.
The camera gonna show that.
Yeah.
The real flake of you have to see it in person.
The ain't gonna lie, man. I was impressed.
You see that top though, you know.
Yeah.
The little lace design top with the same color flakes between the paint.
Yeah.
So
I was impressed with that top, man.
Back, it just look black until you walk up on it. And you see, you know, this basically.
Yeah, it got the little black look there, and then kind of go into it.
Yeah, you know, I wasn't trying to get real detail with the car. I just wanted to get it painted, looking good, something different.
And look, let me cut away real quick. Last time I showed the bike, you know, it's a little more together right now.
Yeah, we're doing some
you know.
fitting and stuff.
Yeah.
Setting everything on.
And so you got the lace in this one too. So, man, y'all really doing y'all thing up in here, man. Like for real, for real.
Man, we just trying, you know.
That thing fresh, bro.
Trying to, man. Trying to be great.
That thing clean, man. Alright.
Coming out though, shit, you know, JSU first game this weekend, so we try to pull everything
I forgot about that, man. They gonna be all out here. Yeah.
We gonna have the TL, we got the TSX out there, the TL.
Yeah.
With the dinner though.
Man.
Damn, we pulled them out.
Man, look, y'all. Somebody done already messed them up, man.
Man,
Like, man, you ain't had this thing painted, what, 6 months, ain't it? It ain't been that long. Somebody done already hit them, boy. Man.
It's not really noticeable though.
Yeah.
You have to really be staring at the car to see it. That's why I really no big rush to fuck with it.
But you know what, though, man? You say Coco got a message for those haters?
Yeah.
Damn. Yeah, she got a message for those haters, bro. Alright. Man, it still look good, man, for real. So, but you know what, though? Man, look, things happen for a reason, man. Because, see, what's going to happen is when you fix the door, you're going to come back. Yeah, because now you got the roof in the thing now. So, you ain't had a roof in there when you first did it, you know.
And I might even hit it with a little remix, you know, you never know. So, it probably won't look the same when you see it.
Exactly. You don't know what you getting when you come see Chawn, boy.
Something to it. So, you know, just
Yeah.
park it anyway, because I gotta do something with the speed hand don't work no more. So I'm out here driving blind almost.
Alright. Had the police right on this bumper.
I gotta blend in with traffic. I gotta pace myself with traffic so the speed hand don't work. So I gotta figure all that out. You know, little stuff like that, man. But I'm still gonna pull it out.
I'm with it, man. Alright. So shoot, man. I guess I ain't gonna hold you too long, man. Yeah. I just want to drop in. I said, shoot, let me go and call Chawn, because he hit me up yesterday. He had them together, but shoot, I ain't got to the other side of town by then. So let me go and pull up on the homie. But yeah, man, put those emblems on there, man. Really make it pop.
Bring it out, though.
Yeah. And see, you got aftermarket taillights on it.
Nah, them factory, I just bust them out.
Okay.
They clean them up.
Yeah.
I'm gonna end up probably smoking them though, send them out.
Yeah. Now, they clean.
Too much red back up for me.
Man, it look good to me, though.
Some type of look breaking out, you know, black them out or something.
Yeah.
Just
Alright.
had a little black, you know, black accent to it to match the tint or whatever. Might throw some black wheels on that. I think the wheel black.
Yeah.
I see some wheels that I want though.
Mm-hmm. What size you going with, like 18 or something?
18.
18?
Not a lot of them that caught my eye, but these did though. I think I'm gonna fuck with.
That's what's
They
up.
made it on a similar style to them factory wheels.
So look, before we go and leave, I just want to say this right here. Y'all see he doing custom paint. You know, you see the flip-flop over here. Of course, somebody came through and messed it up, but you got the flip-flop there with the flakes. You said just the factory red with the flakes on top. Then right here, he got the, what they call this, a lace overlay or something?
Yeah.
Something like that. So he got that. So this the painter. That's Chawn. Y'all know him from the channel. And this who I'm messing with right here, man. So y'all hit them up, man. If y'all want to get something done, something custom. If you need dent fixed like that. Or, wait, you doing insurance claims, man? Insurance claims, man, the whole nine, man. Just come over here, holler at my people.
Love insurance claims.
Yeah, man, y'all come through, mess with him, man. So y'all seeing what he doing, which this the reason he even painted his car. This is like a drivable business card. Yeah, a billboard. You know, so y'all see what he can do. And this ain't even cutting buff yet, but that mug already feels slick.
That's factory out the gun.
Yeah, straight out the gun, they already feel slick. So by the time you come back cut and buff it, that mug gonna be better than it was factory, man. So, all right, man. I'ma holler at you, bro.
All right, YouTube.
All right.